When it comes on to your skin, especially your face, your neck, and your décolleté, there are a variety of products out there on the market that you can use on the skin. These are amazing products with natural anti-aging ingredients that you can purchase. However, guys, you can also choose to make an anti-aging facial moisturizer at home right there in your kitchen. Ingredients are just hanging around your kitchen. You probably don't even know that they're good for your skin. What I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to be making a moisturizer. I'm using simple natural ingredients that most of you have hanging around your kitchen. Guess what, guys? These ingredients are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that can help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and help to transform not only your face but your neck and décolleté. So if you're looking for a DIY facial moisturizer rich in antioxidant, rich in vitamins and minerals that you can use on your skin to transform your skin, this video is for you, so continue watching. And even if you're not in the mood or you're not the type to make your own DIY moisturizer, then you have nothing to lose, because the ingredients that we're using in this is also ingredients that you're going to find in a variety of skincare products. So it's a win-win for you right now. So continue watching. Before I jump in the kitchen, don't forget to watch the video to the end, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Very important. Road to 2 million. Not only that, guys, we have our own skincare line, and these products also have some of these ingredients that we're using in this. So let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So today we are going to be using some coffee. And this is coffee beans. However, what we're going to do, we are going to ground the coffee and then we brewed the coffee. Coffee will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. The caffeine helps to constrict blood vessel and reduce swelling. When you use coffee on the skin, it will leave the skin feeling smoother, brighter, and give you a more even skin tone. My next ingredient is going to be aloe vera gel. And aloe vera is widely used in skincare products. It helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. It's very hydrated on the skin. I'm using a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and I'm adding this to the bowl. 1 tablespoon. You can also choose to use fresh aloe vera in this recipe. And now we are going to blend the two ingredients together. We are blending aloe vera gel and coffee. Coffee, when applied to the skin, also help to boost circulation in the skin, and it may help with acne. It have a mild antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to reduce redness and irritation on the skin. It also helps to unclog pores by exfoliating the skin and help to reduce breakout. Now when it comes on to aloe vera gel, very similar in the way it helps the skin, help to get rid of a sunburned skin, and also help to hydrate. Good to use on the face and also all over your body. And now that we completely mix the aloe vera gel into the coffee, take a look. You can see how this have a gel-like, a more of a ceramic consistency, and this is exactly how you want it to be. Now I'm going to continue. I'm going to move on to some oils, and today I'm going to be using aloe vera oil. When it comes on to aloe vera oil, aloe vera is being extracted and mixed with a carrier oil. Today I'm going to be using a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil. A good aloe vera oil, you find it to be very light, and it just absorbs deeply in the skin. A little goes a long way. If you do not have aloe vera oil, go ahead and use some grapeseed oil. If you have very dry skin, go ahead and use some coconut oil or even some olive oil. Next, I'm reaching for some pomegranate seed oil. And pomegranate seed oil is rich in the antioxidant of vitamin C and vitamin E. Help to hydrate the skin, smooth the skin, and also help to leave the skin soft and supple. Using this on the skin also help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. Not only that, it is a very light oil that will not clog the pores, making it great for all skin type. I'm using about a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil. And now what we're going to do, we are going to mix all the ingredients, and we're going to mix well. We are mixing aloe vera gel, coffee, and aloe vera oil. And now we're going to move on to another oil, and this is the bachi oil. Now the bachi oil is a very strong oil. It is a more
highly concentrated form of the bakuchiol oil. So the bakuchiol oil is made from the bachi oil, but they tend to dilute the bakuchiol oil in another carrier oil. This is like the full strength of the oil, which is the bachi oil. It's so strong that we're using only 2 to 3 drops in this recipe. When you get the bachi oil, you can choose to dilute it with any carrier oil. This helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boosts collagen and elastin in the skin, help your skin to look younger and fresher. Great oil to use not only on the face but also on the neck and décolleté. And even if you have wrinkles hands, go ahead and use this. So now we are mixing all the ingredients together, and we are mixing well, totally dissolving the bachi oil, the aloe vera oil, and the pomegranate seed oil in the aloe vera mixture. And now that this is done, we are going to pour it in a small jar. Go ahead and use any sterilized container that you might have hanging around the house. And now, guys, here it is. This is an amazing, what I'm telling you guys. If you are in the process of using like retinol, which is rich in vitamin A, this is it for you. Just imagine bachi oil, aloe vera gel, and coffee in this. Make it a great oil for your skin. Go ahead and use 1 to 2 drops on the skin AM and PM daily and watch your skin transform. Make sure to exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times per week so that this remedy can work better on the skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. If you have vitamin E oil, you can go ahead, you can add a drop to this recipe. And there you have it, a simple, a easy, a quick DIY facial moisturizer that anyone can whip up in their kitchen.
Now for this moisturizer, all you need is 2 to 3 drops on the skin, and you're going to take it and you are just going to press it on your skin like this. Just press the moisturizer on the skin, press it on the neck and décolleté, and guess what, guys, whatever is left on your hands, go ahead and massage it on your hands. Keep this one in the refrigerator, use it up within 7 days. You can also choose to add a little bit of a vitamin E oil or some vegetable glycerin to preserve this for a little longer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And guess what? Don't forget to visit our store. Look in the description box or click on this view product, and this will take you to our store. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.